Sipag naman. Sipag na ba ako niyan? Pero yun na nga. Wala na akong time matulog. Siguro matutulog na lang ako kasi I have vacant today. I have 2 to 4 vacant. So, yeah. I can take a rest. Pero hindi ako mag-rest kasi kailangan ko din mag-work.
Hand steady, hand long, holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance.
Tapos sasabihin pa ng taong may boyfriend ako, saan ko ilalagay yung boyfriend? Saan mo ilalagay yung time na yun?
Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the
Guys.
night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Look out, make way, tear, don't play.
Hi, Mags. Oo, yeah. Yung baseball name, ano? Sino ba nagsabing mo? Ikaw! Cool boy.
Grow back, go back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send a love.
Puyat yan. Hindi naman ako puyat. I'm not puyat naman. Hi, Langgo.
Who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Pull on my heartstrings and answer the call.
Yeah, I do. 1.5. Tatlong 1.5 every day.
Sunrise up, then she taking it down.
Paano mo na-handle yun? Work while studying? Well, it's not that hard if you want to.
Fantana, 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 Fantana.
Wait lang, nahubaran na palangan. Mabilis ako mabaring. Yan, mag-times come sa sundo. Kita naks naman. Yan yung need ko ngayon. Hatid sundo. Someone who can sundo me at night. Wala akong time at oras sa ibang bagay. Mayroon naman. I can multitask naman. Yeah. Di porket nag-work ako and nag-aaral, di ko na kayang gawin yung mga bagay na gusto ko gawin. May sarili kang priority ngayon. Yeah, I do have my priority. Abel. Pero mag-end na ako niyan, guys. 5:30. Yeah, until 5:30 lang ako. Hello, Abel. Hindi naman ganun kahirap. Kaya ko naman siguro. Sige. Pag kailangan ko na ng 1 million, i-chat na kita.